When it comes to back pain, does core strength really matter? In this video, I'll answer that question. Check it out. Hey there, Simon here from Hogan and Mitchell. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about this word core strength and back pain. Now, it's a really common topic. It's been going on probably since about the mid to late 90s. And there is this idea of what the core is. Now, if I were to ask you, what does the core mean? You'd probably go, oh, stuff here, stuff around the middle of you. And I'll be like, okay, well, like what stuff? Now, often people talk and think about their stomach muscles, but what about the butt? And what about the back muscles? What about the pelvic muscles? Okay, so the core is just a word, it's a made-up word, and it ultimately, when most people use it, refers to the muscles around your middle. So if you think about between your rib cage and between your pelvis, it's where people talk about those muscles, but we could actually call it the muscles into the pelvis as well. Now, core strength has become this thing, and often there was a kind of big movement within the kind of mid to late 90s where there was the thought process within the research world that having a strong core, in inverted commas, that having strong muscles within that region would kind of eliminate all back pain, and if you have persistent pain, it's because your core wasn't strong enough. Now, the thing about that is that they tried that approach and it didn't really work. So they then started doing more research around things, and they kind of found that actually core strength is not the cause of pain. So they've explored that, and they've found that a weak core, or having weaker muscles around the area, probably is not the cause of your pain. Although there's a slight caveat to that, in so much as it is good to be strong in the muscles within that region when you use them, but they don't have to be super duper duper strong, and it's rarely the single cause of the reason for your back pain. So what am I saying? I'm saying that it's good to be strong in your body. That's all of the muscles, not just this core part of you, okay? So it's good to be strong in your arms, in your upper back, in your butt, in your legs, in all parts of your body. But if you just work on core strength, expecting that to get rid of all of your back pain, unfortunately, you might be a little bit disappointed. And there's growing evidence that many people who have persistent back pain actually tense their core too much. So there's a proportion of those people who are having ongoing pain, this is for months and years and decades, and actually they tense their core muscles too much, and that constant tension builds up and causes a pain response. And it's actually the reason for your pain rather than the reason to try and get rid of your pain. So there you go. Core strength in a nutshell, and its association or its non-association with back pain. Is it good to be strong? Yes, go for it. Does it have to be within the middle? Maybe not, okay? I hope you found this video useful. If you have, you can like and comment below. You can click subscribe over here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.